All right, don't forget faces, edges, and vertices. I'm going to have a question where I give you a polyhedron and say how many faces, edges, and vertices. Just a reminder, if you do want to check to see if you do have it right, you can add the number of faces and vertices minus the number of edges, and you should always get, anybody remember? Two. Yep, you always get two. All right, again, that's if you want to check at the end to see if you have it, if you're good or not. Cross sections, remember I take something, slice a figure, hold it up, and what am I holding up? That'll be on there. There's nothing, unfortunately, in your review that deals with cross section, so I put a whole bunch of them on Delta Math. Okay, you'll find a whole bunch of cross section practice on Delta Math because there's none in the review. And then the big four: prisms, cylinders, pyramids, and cones. All right, real quick for cylinder. Lateral area pi dh, circumference times height. Surface area pi dh plus 2 pi r squared. And then for a cone, we went over yesterday, lateral area pi rl and surface area pi rl plus pi r squared. Okay. I don't have a formula for you for prisms and pyramids, remember? Prisms, lateral area, you take the bases off, find the area of the rectangles and add them on. Surface area, you put the bases back on. Same with the pyramid, except now they're triangles. And I can't remember, there's either one or two questions of those smashed up figures that we do at the end of class every day. And find the surface area. You cannot, make sure you cannot count what's covered up. So if you're in your packet today, I'm talking about the last problem. Number 14, that's what I'm talking about for a mashed up problem. Okay, you cannot count what's being covered up. Any questions? Okay, again, we have shortened periods tomorrow. We have a 36-minute period. I shortened the TET quiz too on purpose because I knew that we were going to have a shortened period. But you only have 36 minutes if you're here for the 36 minutes. All right, if you show up 10 minutes late, now you're down to 25 minutes. Okay? So keep that in mind tomorrow. Keep that in mind. Any questions before I let you go and review? You can work with other people. That's fine if you choose. You know where the answers are. They're up on Classroom, okay, under the homework section. So please utilize that. Just so we're good, it says find the surface area. That's only for the first 7 problems. Okay, and then there's new directions starting with number 8. Okay, so find the surface area is only for the first 7 problems. A lot of grind here today. If you finish, hop on Delta Math and try some of those cross-section problems out. All right, any questions at all, where you're going, what you're doing? Okay, please have Chromebooks out. Have Chromebooks, open them up to the answer key here. All right, I don't want you doing a problem and not knowing if it's right or wrong. What do you say? Let's do this.